suffix thread music sticker not available in reason. If the thread's music sticker shows as unavailable due to regional restrictions, it is usually caused by local copyright licensing limits, an active business account restriction, or a phased feature rollout. So what you can do is switch your account type. Business accounts are often blocked from using licensed music. Just go to your profile settings, switch your account type from business to a personal or creator account. Now the next thing what you can do is go to your Google Play Store or Apple App Store, find the Threads app, and if you see an update button available right here, tap on update to get the latest version. Now if you are an Android device, you can go to your phone settings, go to apps and find Threads from the list, then go to its storage and then tap clear cache. Now the next thing what you can do is on your iOS device, what you have to do is go to settings, then tap general, then tap iPhone storage and then find Threads from the list, or just tap on the search bar at the bottom and then type Threads. Now tap upload app, then tap upload app one more time to confirm it. Once you do that, you will see the reinstall app button right here. Simply tap the reinstall app button or just go to your Apple App Store, find the Threads app and then reinstall it from there to clear out outdated regional data. So that's it for this video guys. I hope this video is helpful. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in my next video.